Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. My people, under Wahala, they for grand. This story where I want to talk about now about people where they see another picking or woman wey no dey throw away eye wey in John Thomas go come dey dance Awilo Lokomba for inside trouser. Na them I wan talk to for here. And this guy wey una dey see for here, he na 21 years old guy. So he go this one 5 years old girl to until the person turn RIP. Now the story we want to talk about. Before we go into the matter, my people, make I just quickly just give my fans and my subscriber hello my subscriber and my returning subscriber. I say you are welcome to this wonderful platform. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a plus to this family. Thank you for your support, for returning back to come and watch all my videos. For all those who are sharing my video, God bless you all. What can I do without you? Nothing except God that will bless you for me. You understand? Okay, my people, make we move to the matter we carry us come out today. The matter we carry us come out today now about this 21 years old guy where he this one 5 years old small girl for Bayelsa State for Inyanogoa. Now inside 2016, now this matter happened. This matter what I want to talk about. So this guy in the 16 years that time when in this 5 years old girl. So they can't put the case for pending. Say the boy never reached to go inside prison because he's still there underage. And I know say underage they finish for 18 years. So as he finish for underage, 3 years after, now they can't reawake the matter again. So now he want go do his sentence now. So they don't already sentence him to 10 years for Inyanogoa because now inside 2016, now this thing for happen. So they say that the person where they accused, there is in this this little pikin to until the pikin turn in the little come for this word, you understand, for Akande community in Sambama local government area of the state in 2016. It was gathered that the Japanta, who was a 16 years old at that time, dumped. Like in go after he done this one the pikin finish say he don't do wetin a canon knowledge with and finish. The next thing wetin he can do, he can come out, can go drop am for one corner. And the corner where he even go drop now inside where the this fish farm. Now there he go put the girl. Whether the pikin for survive or not for survive, that one can still drink water join. You see and say now dead double wahala for dead body. So this matter happen. So now they come they talk the matter, say they want this gwangwara now. So do you know say they don't pass the law for this Bayelsa, say anybody where they see, even though say na your mama you do one with, or your sister or your cousin, or na even a dede or arugbo, anyone they catch you with, they don't call am rape, is rape. So you will go, the law must take its full course. You understand? So you know if he escape waiting government talk, you understand, because it won't come too much nowadays when this one before you open news or open Facebook, this one is gone, this one when Ogulema talking, they there, you understand, buy one carry two for free, he did there, you understand, just like 5 euro for Napoli. Now so it be you buy one you carry two for free. They even they do chicken, buy one take two, or buy one take one, you understand. Compre uno prendi due, you understand. It dey like that. So now understand, if you go Wuloma or you go Bagwe or you go any local joint, you go see 3 euro, you go even see 10 naira. Oh, you understand, even though you not see like all this maybe 10,000. Oh, you go see like all this 500. Oh, they can make by 500. He get one woman for inside last year when he come outside, when people come help her for Yoruba land. She say her children they suffer. Say she not get money, she want to take care of them. She not get husband again. So she begin to do the local link. You understand? They do one for Yoruba land for there. My Yoruba people beg me kuna not very say I use them to parable. You understand? How much they collect? 500. Just if they do one for all this bar me. You understand? Ballet me all those people where they are cassava no dey rise again. Na to just muegbe waji na so they take dey do am. You understand, my people? Then dey there, I dey imagine say how your cassava want to enter person apple wey e never ripe. You understand? And this wetin dem dey call onions wey dey chest, e no dey there. You understand? How you want to enjoy that if not be the evil heart wey some people get? You understand? You go see all this ijelekute for there too. Some day wey go even give you, just like oyibo people wey for scratch na there for this. You go club, you go see person wey go give you. You understand? All those one dey. All those ones dey there, but these people they no go. They just decide to use the small pikin. Then you understand? It's no good. Okay, get one story where I see talk about for inside last year. Imagine person drink finish now, he can't get kind knowledge of your grandmama. He say into say na okbo for okbo miniki for ogbagwe. Imagine which kind of drink be that? Why can you use your money to buy wetin go come dey override you? Come they tell you say go left, go right, stand here, move. If you move, I move you. Imagine that kind of thing. That all those one now just a story. You understand? Because you don't already go plan before you take that kind drink. You understand? Okay, now you don't put this mama baby. He put the parents for suffer now. You understand? They will never in their life forgive you except God Almighty come down from heaven or touch their heart, and they will never forget this kind of thing wey you do to their pikin. You understand? Imagine small pikin wey just dey come life. You just delete am like that. My brother, e no good. You go need to ask for forgiveness. You understand? Even when I see the 10 years, I never even know say you dey 16 years when you do the something. I shout, I say because the Benin they talk and so you understand? But when I see the 10 years, I say very cheap. It too small. You understand? Because they're supposed to na manslaughter. They're supposed to tell you say you go in for it. But when I come see and say it don't take away that they judge the case they come. You understand? Not be now one judge for the you dey very small that time. Other many say you dey small. You still use 11 years to senior that picking that time now. You understand, brother? Me you look and you understand. So the more way they give you, they know rich. At least they're supposed to give you like 118 years. So if they or 115, if they add that small picking, you will be 120. Now that kind of age, is supposed to give you. Just thank God say you meet better lawyer for seat, because the kind of article way it give you article. And the article way come out for that 2016. Now the person give you the judge, Justice E.J. Omukoro, in his rule on the suit number SHC stroke 4C stroke 2016 with a one court charge of murder brought against the accused by the state magistrate of justice, declared that the charge become manslaughter. You see, if to say na me, the kind one where I go take gather and give you. Thank God say you just meet this Mrs. Amukoro. You know see the name Amukoro. So the woman be the man. He head there has never can give you like that. If you come outside, you go repent. You no go like to near bad thing. You understand? We a person for the Christ. If you go there wrong, you go say what thing they happen for them. So my people, I beg me could not deviate from bad thing. It's not good. Imagine 5 and 6 there outside, but now no go choose that one. Now all these small pikin them now they like to they come they do what they with them. It's not good. The apple never ripe. It never ripe. Even apple wey never ripe, if you shop yourself, the way it take the bite for mouth, you understand, it will give you headache for head. Now that one are supposed to they know say all these people they still be small pikin, but no. Now just out of wickedness, now they do this one. Imagine I'm robber come person house. You not take money, not take anything. Go you tell you say na person apple in the fine. My people, no. It's not good. You understand? As I earlier talk, you go see 35 euro or 10 naira for this thing. For Ugbagwe or for Owule Market, for Allen Avenue, for Lagos, for there, or any city where you there, that they get their website for street. You understand? Branch there. You go even see all this granny, and we go even tell you say, oh yeah, pikin, I beg, make una deviate from bad thing, so that bad thing will see they run follow now. Because sometimes now they talk say na devil. Mr. Devil not dey house that day. In travel, he dey Onisha. He go buy goods wey he wan sell for Aba market for for Lagos, you understand? But you wait there, Nyanogu, and they talk say na devil. My brother, no devil, not there that day. In there on vacation, you understand? Okay, my people, make we just roll this matter, enter the second video of today. The second video of today now about these two, about husband and wife, but unfortunate the group come delete on the day where in do wedding, the eve of his wedding. Now the groom delete. They very painful. Oh my God, what you want to do to this matter of bandit for inside Nigeria? Now our government now introduce these people come inside Nigeria. They use them finish, they do election at the end. They not repay them. Let me they do what they do. This second video when I want to talk about so now about husband and wife where e don newly wed for inside Zamfara state. So this news wey I dey talk about so now Zamfara state na for happen for Nigeria, northern part of Nigeria. Okay, how e take go? A young man wey dem report say all this bandit delete comot for the day wey im just do wedding. Hello boy, una understand my people? That day of eve, after wedding, una know say husband and wife dey talk say I no go give you my ample, you understand? You so your cassava hold on till the day of our wedding, you understand? Now we come do the what, we come open a chef on, you understand? So maybe we see wetin dey inside the oko. Unfortunate, as they do wedding finish, they all enter house. Now bandit people you enter. Oh my God! Now that one Yoruba people they call oh my show. The thing pay me. This man they never even bath. As they all they enter, make them relax. We not say the Nigeria dance marriage now. You go dance and throw away your sorrow. Say finally you see husband. Finally you see catch this girl. Finally this man where they dream about me. Where be one run leave me go marry Janet. Where leave me. Where be one go marry Osayomore, or wey leave me wey be wan go marry Glory. At the end na me come catch am. Me Aminatu. No. I need to y'all relax. They look this man. So the man I go come dey say so na me come fit marry this Aminatu. Hey, Aminatu wey no sabi cook indomie girl. Chineke. I think say na that girl na first na I be wan marry that time abi na Annabel na I be wan marry. Abi how this girl take come into my life? Anyway, now because of her virginity, now make me your marry. They debate about those things, you understand? Sit down for parlor, they think about in life. They say, finally. You don't tell where even they hide the girl self. I be say not be married, I be one marry, I be one just Colombian collect my own share. You understand? Unfortunate, Allah come make us to be one. Make them just go back for inside bedroom. I know as they be now, woman don't throw away towel. You just see you the mean say you the all your throat don't dry. You they say, tonight. Even though say never says light, we not go. Even though mosquito bite me, no matter how I no go. You understand? Nine bandits you enter inside house. These people you're there inside bedroom. They want you start to the shower, the first matrimonial shower. The next thing, bandit you enter house. Oja, submit your newly wedded wife, or I delete you. Now the man say, no, you don't feel do this one. This Amina, what did she do me? Oh no, you not go, I not go agree for you. As they do. Now the bandit say, okay, no problem. If you know what, maybe we just look into Amina. No problem. We know what it will do you. You will choose one. You know, say now so that they do for if I'm robber content now your money or you will delete you. So I saw they all take give the man. Igbo. As they talk so. I mean now husband don't lie down for grand. Don't turn arrow IP just like that. So why they read this news? They say they use until they give people advice. I feel for the young man, you understand, because the wife now don't tell widow, you understand. They read this news for people where they do wedding. Waiting be the point where I break come on. I beg if you know, say you just newly do wedding and it don't take when you see your wife, they give you tough time. You know, say guys can give people tough time. Chineke me, you go toast like a bole. You no go done, you understand? You go toast. Shineke me. Abeg, if you dey that category, say you dey toast woman for more than 10 years, even 1 year, because some people, if you just toast them for 1 month, they go just open a chef and give you understand? But if you dey that category, as una dey do wedding, una know say people dey change. So not join the category of people wey say na that my white wedding now I wan take dance finish. No, not try am. Try change the wedding gown. As una wan go change, abeg try visit that Israel. Make you know where this thing dey. One river, whether na river Jordan, whether na there e dey. Try visit Israel. Tell the people wey dey dress una say una wan dress alone. Now use am make vow before the girl gree for you. Try visit Israel for inside that hotel where una for dey change. Quick visit am. You understand? Because if to say this man visit Israel that very moment, I'm not sure say bandit for come. As they hear say the girl na virgin, and they say and then one just touch am. So now wetin happen be that one. So now the little advice when I give people be that one. Try just visit Israel. If all you know all these some people, some of your friends, they can do igbeboro like amebo, and I me one dress and I me one tie head, I me one tie gele, I want go remake. Pursue all of them, come out say, I pay you, no problem. Even we don't need retouching of the makeup again. The gele dey like that. Quick visit the Israel. Check whether River Jordan still there. Make quick fetch water for there, so that before you reach house. This kind, I pray, make this kind of calamity not fall before us. So you understand? You understand? But in case of city beg, God forbid bad thing. Try just go River Jordan, bath anyhow, stretch your leg. You understand? Bath from head to toe. You go enjoy yourself. Once all these bad people here say, now if I ask we even then they wait for you. Then they say you they make up your wife. Your wife called, they say, now you they dress your husband. The boss at way fair wear before. He want change another one. Heat don't put a mark for there. So me not on the for inside party. Now they change from pint to brazier for there. You understand? Let all those amebo people where they say, hey, my best friend, you know I vow to make up you. I vow to push them away. Quick bath for inside of Jordan, come outside. You go do yourself, my people. You understand? So as I talk to una, so the groom, they bury him. As we talk to, as I hear they talk to una, so they don't put them for ground. They don't leave Aminato for ground. So they all turn the woman to widow overnight, just like that. It's very painful. You understand? Where this thing for happen for inside Zamfara state. Now area for Gawansha town, Bukoya local government area in Zamfara state. So now one person where they call Oga Yusuf Anka, and he shared on Tuesday, March 2016 for the impost say person where you do marriage yesterday say he don't turn RIP. May RIP not be our portion in Jesus' name. May we not delete on the day of our joy, the day of our enjoyment. You understand? Because if the man be they try to save his wife from say in matrimonial house, in matrimonial bed, he never ever virgin now. You imagine that kind of thing, everything for that house now new. You know, say some men can just the women where they're supposed to spend that money on, they know if they can't carry the one where they know where you now understand now all those people, they will come buy new mattress, new bed sheet. Now bandit. Now do chocolate bango shit on top. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Choose.